Kardom kadukabe labang so YouTube channel long kelangara duana fans tabe la pen pini nali tum fan na kiwan pi labang ke Karbi Anglong pen kapik lang pon driver Voreng Avarsai taxi nali tum fan labang so video long nang than pe chini ponik po jongsi nali tum labang so Voreng Avarsai jogdun igji pulo tangte details kachini nangji labang ke kinang sot la sinali tum labang so video bangke lang ik pon igon nalitum labang so YouTube channel along jong sinang kahomri milang pada kecingan pen subscribe hol pen videos tami nalitum share ponigon non patek pen lang pon nang lapen cetan pon nang Tangne non patek pen cetan pon nang Office of the District Legal Service Authority Karbi Anglong District Zerjari Campus Difu 782460 Karbi Anglong Assam email ID lepen contact details tami nalitum dak theglongji Nason athada Karbi Anglong District Judiciary hin bestame Voreng Avarsai kapik lang pon do non labang so Voreng Avarsai thagle chethan ponana kichengsina litum da advertisement number lang pon igon 02/2026 lapen labang so advertisement publish pon adia labang ki 16 May 2026 aw ni se publish pon iglo copy Voreng Avarsai me kon ana post vacancy se do manon chethan ponana ningke hang atum na litum jong si jogdun igte standard form do nang pon labang so standard form along details kenang so so na litum fill up nang po lapen apus la bangkeda inuet apartment sida kipi pondo anti-job apus anti-job lo lapen apus la bangke driver apus lo lapen vacancies bang isi do inuet apartment do lapen la bangso Voreng Avarsai la bangke contractual basis anchat Nani tum jang sila bangso Voreng Avarsai pan jogdun ikji pulo tangte standard form nang pula bangso standard form along kinang so sada details nani tum fill up nang po kelapen kinang so sada documents tame nani tum fill up nang po lapen driver apus lo lapen vacancies kido labang ke ino da permanent shot lapen unreserved lo lapen labang so Voreng Avarsai labang ke contractual basis mate contractual unders nani tum claim nang po lapen fixed salary da 15,000 sip fix pono salary labang ke per month nalitum long ikpo jogji aprang nalitum eligibility criteria la kachini neng jikinang sot candidate must be an Indian citizen as the defined in article 5 to 8 of the constitution of India lapen ki jogdun vekji abang puatum labang ki Indian citizenship nang po lapen article 5 lapen 8 aron tinglo lapen ki jogdun vek abang fustame driving license to nengji LMB driving license issue competent authority the driving license must be issued at least 3 years before the date of publication of the advertisement lapen nalito malong driving license to nengji LMB driving license lapen labang so driving license labang ke labang so advertisement kapik lang pon adet la so aprang ningkan ke thom kay apply tang driving license nang po lapen la son the candidate must be not less than 18 years age criteria shall be guided by government guidelines and the determinative date shall be 1/1/2026 lapen candidate kijok dunji abang pu abang labang ke 18 years pen akizum kalide nang po lapen age criteria labang ke government guidelines along ka anse ke pipon ba ke tokpon mala soteng nang po lapen kachar liang deng labang ke minimum qualification of the candidates must be class 8 pass lapen candidate labang ke kijum nai lo class 8 pass on the chok lapen class 10 12 tum stami jogdon long lo jong sinalitum jogdon exi pulo tangte lapen koson sika applying jima polte intending candidate will have to submit their application in standard form in the slate and envelope to the District Legal Service Authority Karbi Anglong Difu 782460 either personally or through post lapen nali tum kijok dun nangji ba ka apply nangji la bang kela son lo standard form nali tum fill up nang po lapen details son an nali tum fill up dun thai pen documents picture up dun nang po lapen envelope thak mate nali tum kapile nangji adim la bang ke to the District Legal Service Authority Karbi Anglong Difu 782460 nalitum directly ho dagle nalitum application thondam ta chok alite nalitum post office pens dame lo ikmelo lapen putha dage tokpondo thulang the application must super prescribe application for the post the son tokdonang po nalitum application for the post of contextual driver po nalitum tokdonang po envelope thak lapen nalitum mobile numbers tami standard form along red ink pen nalitum tokdon nangji lapen putha dake tokpon dotelang the application must be the accompanied with 2 copies of recent color passport size photo lapen experience certificate if any all cell attested copy of driving license lapen nalitum kipidun tunangji labang ke recently non hezong kachituli a photo pakni nangpo lapen experience certificate do ulotin nalitum pidun me lapen documents along ans taminalitum cell attested bang re nalitum pidun thai nangpo lapen nalitum driving license tami xerox copy la bang nalitum pinangpo candidate already in government service must be applied through proper channel candidate atom government service claim bo matum stame na so Voreng Avarsai fan jogdon jipul te dak jogdon longlo lapen the candidate have appeared to driving test interview at their own expense and no TADA. The driving test high huya alang litum and ponik interview that incomplete application will be rejected. La penalitum alang litum dak hang pon bakin ang GS on anjong sinalitum pidon de pelte dak nang litum application la bangke reject ponik po. All information about that of skill test and viva shall be uploaded on the official website lapen viva lapen skill test notice mate adet labangke alang litum website along upload pon ikpo putat ladan produce man the candidate who are found to eligible shall be to undergo skill test of 20 marks skill test lo lapen viva 30 lapen lason dak list of eligible candidates for skill test or viva will be uploaded the official website district.ecode.gov.in skill test lapen viva high details lapen list of eligible candidates tum bangke las bangsa website lang sa upload ponik po puta alang litum dak pachini ponik lo lapen Karbi Anglong gov.in labang so a website la hini website long maken ang litum long ikpo selection process purely merit basis selection pon ikpo the candidates are asked to visit official website ng litum jogdun polotangte labang so website along kaita update ng litum langdam igwerno lapen last date of apply mate application receive labang ke non kiwangji close 8 June 2026 5 PM si last date lo lapen ke alang litum application labang ke accept pon pelo bulta ladak tok pon lo sining kang abang puatum nalitum jong si jogdon ji ba claiming tung pulotang te nalitum jogdon ikon lapen ke jogdon nang ji a processan bang nili nang thana jong si standard from ave pulotang te nili phana humri ikon nili nalitum afan nang senik po ase pinia video mate pinia Voreng Avarsai update nang than ponji labang kila answer lo domi thakme kaduk kabi Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara do ana fans tame nilhin pen kardom